bath lift helps you get in and out of the bath independently in your own home. It's portable, lightweight and folds flat, so it can be easily stored away. The bath lift can be used with all standard baths, so there's no need for bathroom alterations. Simply lay it out in your bath and 4 suction pads hold it firmly in place. It's so easy to connect the hose and handset to the airflow compressor. Plus the compressor is rechargeable, so no electrical cables are needed in the bathroom. The waterproof handset is easy to use and inflates the bath lift in seconds. The special cushion fabric is soft but very strong and hard-wearing. Once fully inflated, fill your bath to the desired temperature. The bath lift is firm, comfortable and supports up to 24 stone in weight. Simply lower yourself onto the seat with your feet still on the floor. Then, holding onto the side of the bath, slowly turn and lift your legs one at a time into the bath. Once in a stable position, use the waterproof handset to deflate the bath lift. The bath lift will not lower you into the bath unless there is sufficient charge in the compressor to get you back out. Fully deflate or keep some air in the backrest pillow. Designed with minimal seams, the bath lift is comfortable against your skin. Let any stresses, aches or pains melt away and really enjoy your bathing experience. Listen to the radio, even read a book. With the bath lift, you can relax in a fully reclined bath without the worry of how to get out. When you're ready, sit up and position yourself at the back of the seat. Using the waterproof handset, re-inflate the bath lift to raise yourself out of the bath. The bath lift moves gently and safely, making getting out of the bath almost as relaxing as having one. Once fully inflated, rotate your body and swing one leg at a time out of the bath. Simply disconnect the hose from the compressor and let the bath lift deflate. The bath lift is as easy to pack away as it is to set up, so there are no issues for other bathroom users. You too can be confident and happy to bathe independently again.